Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the stock of Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. Before we proceed, this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. Okay, so we had done a video about BABA a few weeks ago, and in that we were looking at a point around $137 per share, and we were comparing it with these blue boxes you see where the stock had actually formed double bottoms and rallied, and we were looking for a potential scenario that perhaps there was a double bottom in play here, and because we also had this ABCD with 1.272 extension projection coming from point C of the AB leg. So we had a number of things. However, the stock did not respect those levels, and the double bottom obviously fell, and stock kept on moving lower. However, there were some rallies, but they just did not hold. So now actually the stock has moved to a very interesting level, because what it has done is it has done a complete 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this low. Let me actually expand this, of this entire low to the recent high. So this, if we draw it from this low to this high here, the 78.6% retracement comes around $113 per share. So let me just try to make it a little bit more obvious for you here. So this is the line segment we are looking at. And now what is also interesting to see is that there's also this ABCD price projection, which comes a little bit lower, so about $13 lower, $10 to $13 lower here, at nearly about $100 per share mark. And the price obviously has not reached that, because the ratios are more important than these pattern formations. So what is also interesting to note is that when the price reached this 78.6% retracement level, it kind of has held so far. So you can see that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 weeks, the price is actually hovering and getting support from the 78.6% retracement level. And also the way the Nasdaq has been, and the general markets, they have had a sell-off in the last week. However, this stock seems to be holding up quite nicely, so there is someone who is buying it, so there is some buying coming into it. This is how we look at it on a weekly basis. So this spot we have to watch the 78.6% retracement, and then we'll have to look at the price action to understand whether this is going to be a move which is going to be more sustainable, or there is more downside price that will come in future. So what will be an interesting point will be if it takes the this week's high out, which was at $134.55. So if the price moves above this and likely close on a weekly basis above this, then that's going to be a positive sign. Also, what we can do is we can have a look at the last rally, which was which it attempted, however was not successful in getting over it. So that comes around $153 per share. And if we try to take a Fibonacci retracement, and let me draw 61.8% retracement level, so there we go. So the 61.8% retracement level comes around $155 per share. So what will be very interesting is that if the stock begins to clear these levels, so this bearish symmetry or drawn by these orange levels, it goes away. See, it takes out the 61.8% retracement level by getting above $155 per share. Those will be very interesting signs that perhaps the stock has found a good foundation, and perhaps going through some accumulation, and good prices likely to move or could move higher. These are the levels which we are watching. So 78.6% retracement level at around $113 per share. On the upside, we are watching for $155 per share as a possible resistance level, and if the price begins to clear this, then it is going to be more positive signs for the stock. And you can see that the kind of decline the stock has had, it's the IPO was done here in 15 September 2014. The price rallied for about 6 weeks or so, and then it just kept on falling and falling. It forms a double bottom, so it found the bottom in September 21st 2015. Then their overall market was having a sell-off. In February it finds another bottom, so a higher bottom. It's a double bottom. It keeps on rallying for the next several years. And then look, since October 26th 2020, this stock has been just decimated. It's just retraced 78.6%, which is nearly 80% of its value, or the market value. So we have to be careful, and we have to be watching these levels to see if we are getting the signs which we need if we want to look at the stock from a bullish perspective. So thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like our content and the technical analysis which we do, then please do subscribe to the channel, and please hit that bell icon button so that you are aware of future videos. Thank you and good day. Bye.